When it comes to upgrading your home in West Colombia, one of the most impactful improvements you can make is installing custom windows. Whether you are renovating your home or building a new one, choosing custom windows can significantly enhance your home's aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, and security. However, the question remains: are custom windows worth the investment? In this article, we'll explore the reasons why custom windows might be the perfect choice for your West Colombia home and why the investment can pay off in both the short and long term. Perfect fit for your home's design. One of the primary advantages of choosing custom windows is that they are tailored to your home's unique design. Unlike pre-made, standard-size windows, custom windows can be designed to fit any size or shape, ensuring a seamless look that complements your home's architecture. Whether you have an older home with non-standard window openings or you want a modern, sleek design, custom windows provide the flexibility to meet your exact needs. In West Colombia, where homes can range from classic Southern-style bungalows to contemporary builds, custom windows offer the perfect way to integrate high-quality, stylish windows that fit the aesthetic of your home. These windows can add value and visual appeal, ensuring that your home stands out and maintains its unique charm. Improved energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is one of the most compelling reasons to invest in custom windows. Traditional, stock-sized windows can sometimes leave gaps around the frame, which can result in drafts and temperature fluctuations inside your home. This compromises your home's insulation and forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, which can drive up energy costs. Custom windows, on the other hand, are specifically designed to fit your home's openings perfectly. This results in better sealing, which prevents heat from escaping in the winter and keeps cool air inside during the summer. Many custom windows also come with double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and gas-filled spaces, all of which further enhance energy efficiency by reducing heat transfer. These features can lead to significant savings on your energy bills over time, making custom windows a wise investment in the long run. Enhanced home comfort. With custom windows, your home will be more comfortable year-round. By improving energy efficiency, you ensure that your home stays at the perfect temperature without over-relying on your HVAC system. In West Colombia, where summers can be hot and humid and winters can bring chilly winds, having windows that are designed to withstand these conditions is crucial. In addition to temperature control, custom windows can also help reduce outside noise pollution. The insulation offered by custom windows acts as a sound barrier, making it easier to maintain a quiet, peaceful home environment. Whether you live near a busy street or in a bustling neighborhood, custom windows help keep unwanted noise outside, enhancing your home's overall comfort. Increased security. Another significant benefit of custom windows is the added security they offer. Custom windows can be designed with reinforced glass or stronger materials, making them more difficult to break into than traditional windows. Many custom windows come with multi-point locks and tamper-resistant features, which make them more secure and less likely to be compromised by burglars. For homeowners in West Colombia, where home security is a top priority, custom windows provide peace of mind knowing that your home is better protected from potential threats. Whether you're at home or away, knowing that your windows are designed with security in mind gives you an extra layer of confidence in the safety of your family and property. Customization for unique needs. Every home is different, and custom windows offer the flexibility to meet the unique needs of your home. Whether you want larger windows for better natural light, unique shapes to fit an architectural style, or specific materials to match your home's design, custom windows provide endless options for personalization. For example, if you have hard-to-reach areas or unusual window shapes, such as circular or hanging windows, custom windows can be made to fit these spaces perfectly. This level of customization ensures that your windows enhance both the functionality and visual appeal of your home. Increased home value. Investing in custom windows is a great way to increase your home's value. High-quality windows are often seen as a desirable feature for homebuyers. They not only improve your home's curb appeal but also demonstrate that you've invested in the long-term durability and performance of your home. If you're considering selling your home in the future, custom windows can set your property apart from others on the market. Homebuyers often look for energy-efficient features, security, and modern aesthetics, all of which custom windows provide. The addition of custom windows can lead to a higher asking price and a faster sale, making them a smart investment for any homeowner. Low maintenance and durability. Custom windows are often built with high-quality materials that are designed to last. These windows require less maintenance than older, traditional windows, and they are more resistant to damage from the elements. Many custom windows come with features like weather-resistant coatings and reinforced glass, making them durable and easy to maintain. Additionally, custom windows are often designed to be easy to clean and maintain over time. They can be equipped with tilt-in features for easy cleaning of both sides of the glass, which makes it easier to keep your windows looking new without the hassle. Conclusion: why custom windows are worth the investment for your West Columbia home. When it comes to upgrading your West Columbia home, custom windows offer numerous benefits that make them a worthwhile investment. From energy efficiency and enhanced security to improved home comfort and increased property value, custom windows can transform your living space in many ways. The aesthetic appeal, combined with their long-term durability and energy-saving features, makes them a smart choice for homeowners looking to improve their homes and their quality of life. If you're ready to take your home to the next level, custom windows are a valuable investment that will provide you with both immediate benefits and long-term savings.